The Manicouagan Crater is one of the most fascinating and mysterious natural formations on Earth. It is located in the Canadian province of Quebec. The crater was only discovered in 1965 when geologist and researcher René Martel noticed anomalies on satellite images. Externally, the crater resembles a giant ring. Despite its enormous size, the crater was so well hidden that it was not discovered earlier, even though it is located in a fairly accessible area. The impact structure was formed by a collision between Earth and an asteroid approximately 214 million years ago, during the late Triassic period. The crater has a diameter of about 100 kilometers, making it the second largest meteorite crater on Earth, after the Chicxulub crater in Mexico, which is associated with the extinction of the dinosaurs. The depth of the crater is about 1.5 kilometers. The crater now contains several lakes, including Lake Manicouagan. This is home to rare species of plants and animals, making it an interesting subject for ecological research. One of the main distinguishing features of the Manicouagan crater is its shape. Unlike most well-known craters, it does not have a distinct central pit. Instead, it has a more complex structure with numerous smaller lakes, deep depressions, and sloping cliffs. This makes it less typical in terms of appearance. Interestingly, the crater itself is not a direct remnant of the impact. Due to significant geological changes and subsequent processes such as erosion and sedimentation, the crater has been preserved in a modified form. Unique minerals were found in the crater that were formed under the influence of the high temperatures and pressure caused by the meteorite impact. These minerals serve as evidence that Earth has experienced collisions with cosmic bodies in the past. The asteroid impact may have affected the Earth's climate at the time. Asteroids and meteorites are capable of ejecting vast amounts of dust and gases into the atmosphere, which can lead to short-term climate changes, as seen during the dinosaur extinction event. The Manicouagan crater is a unique geological feature that significantly differs from other major craters.